Hey guys, welcome to Blue Inversion and I'm your host Sayan, and today you're watching Blue Archive. So today's problem is that as soon as you install the latest versions of Blender from the 2.8 release, I guess, even the latest 2.83 alpha has this problem. This is not a question, but I came across this problem myself, so I wanted to address it in this video. So it is related to sculpting. When you open up the sculpting environment and you check out all these brushes, you will see that the brush which has 1, 2, 3 till 9 as their hotkey, that is the numbers, even shift, even the shift plus the numbers hotkey do not work. So these two hotkeys do not work. So when you press them, nothing happens. It doesn't change anything, doesn't really work. And this is a really bad problem, I guess, because hotkeys are very important for sculpting, at least in my opinion. So the problem is that the underlying issue is that the brushes which have these numbers as their hotkey are not actually configured. They are not hard-coded into Blender. The UI just shows the hotkey, but the key map is not updated for whatever reason. Now the workaround is that you go into Edit Preferences, and then under Key Map, you scroll down to the 3D view, and then I guess you'll get Sculpt. Yep, and you can see that the Restore Key Map button has popped up because I've already messed around with it. So if you go under Sculpt here, you'll see that I've added a bunch of new key maps. They're just for all the brushes that do not work. Now, how did I do that? Just click on Add New, and then you get this button here. Click it, and then you can press whatever button you want to configure as the hotkey. Then under this identifier, you just need to write. Let me see if I can remember. Paint dot select tool, I guess, select brush or something. I don't remember. I guess I have it on my clipboard. No, I do not. Okay. I'll try to remember. Paint dot select brush. I think I'm pretty positive about this. No, I'm not. So what was that? Brush select, I guess. Oh, I can check it out. Yeah, brush select. Stupid me. Okay. Sorry for wasting your 3 seconds there. Anyways, so once you have selected the keyboard hotkey, and then you can select this, click on this drop down, and then you can select whatever brush you want to bind with one. So you can check it from here if you want to follow the actual guideline Blender developers had set for you. So draw sharp should be 1. So you go on to the preferences and select draw sharp from here, and then it maps. It doesn't really show because I already have it here, so it's a conflicting hotkey, so it didn't register. Anyways, if you do it one by one, it just works. This is the only solution, and it works. See, I'm just pressing the hotkeys, and it's working like it should. So yeah, I hope it helps, and if it has helped you, then please share it with someone who need it and who are getting into Blender recently. And you know, the sculpting tools have got really better with Blender, and this might be a little bump in the road which you need to avoid to get started with Blender sculpting. So anyways, talking too much. See you on the next video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if it has helped you, pass it along. See you.